Ever pondered the process of creating standalone Python applications? In the world of programming, standalone applications refer to software that can run independently on a user's device without any need for an external server or an internet connection. Fascinating, isn't it? Today, we'll delve into the process of creating such applications using Python. For this task, we need a powerful tool known as PyInstaller. This software transforms Python programs into standalone executables, making them accessible to users without requiring Python or any additional dependencies. First things first, you need to install PyInstaller. This can be done using the Python package manager pip. Open your command prompt or terminal and type pip install PyInstaller. Within a few moments, PyInstaller will be ready for use. Once installed, the next step is to convert your Python script into an executable file. For this, navigate to the directory containing your Python script using the command prompt or terminal. Then type pyinstaller your script name.py. Replace your _script name with the actual name of your Python script. PyInstaller will now do its magic and create an executable file. What's next, you may ask? Well, PyInstaller generates a dist, short for distribution folder, containing the executable along with other necessary files. This is the folder you'll want to distribute to your end users. However, if you want to create a single executable file without any additional files or folders, use the command pyinstaller, one file your script name.py. This will generate a single standalone executable file that can be easily distributed. Remember, the power of standalone applications isn't confined to just desktop software. These applications can be used in a wide array of fields, from mobile apps and gaming to industrial control systems and medical devices. In summary, creating standalone Python applications involves installing PyInstaller, converting your Python script into an executable, and then distributing the generated file or folder. It's an empowering skill that can open up new possibilities in your software development journey. Today, we explored the process of creating standalone Python applications. We hope this guide has been useful and has sparked your curiosity to delve deeper into the fascinating world of Python programming. Stay tuned to OneTechly for more such insightful content. Keep coding, keep exploring. Before we wrap up, we'd like to take a moment to say that we hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us understand what kind of content you enjoy and allows us to create more of it. Also, if you're not already subscribed to OneTechly, we encourage you to hit that subscribe button. We regularly release tech tips and troubleshooting videos that aim to make your journey into software development smoother and more enjoyable, so stay tuned for more tech tips and troubleshooting videos. Remember, the road to mastery is a marathon, not a sprint. Happy coding. In the world of software development, your feedback and continuous learning are paramount. We at OneTechly highly value your likes and comments as they provide us with insights into what kind of content you find useful. Each thumbs up is a stepping stone for us to create more helpful and relevant content for you. At the same time, subscribing to our channel opens up a treasure trove of tech tips and troubleshooting videos at your disposal. We strive to make your journey into software development smoother, and your subscription helps us reach out to more aspiring developers like you. We know that mastering software development isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a journey filled with challenges and triumphs. So as you continue to explore and learn, remember to keep patience, persistence, and a positive mindset at the heart of your learning process. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding. Your journey may be long, but with OneTechly, you're never alone.